Ever wondered why you should care about something as complex sounding as cybersecurity? Well, let's break it down. Picture cybersecurity as your personal superhero in the digital realm. It's the shield that guards your data, privacy, and digital life against the villains of the online world. As our existence intertwines more with technology, the importance of this virtual superhero grows. Now imagine the digital world as a vast, mysterious frontier. It's a battleground where cybersecurity warriors face off against digital adversaries. These adversaries come in various forms: malware, the silent infiltrator, phishing, the predator that exploits human vulnerability, and ransomware, the villain that takes your digital assets hostage. Still wondering why you should care? Cybersecurity isn't just about protecting your online accounts, it's about safeguarding our entire way of life. In an era where data is akin to currency, cybersecurity is the vault that keeps our digital treasures secure. The stakes? Everything from our personal data to our national security. We've explored the dark side of the digital frontier. Now, let's shine a light on the key concepts that form the bulwark of cybersecurity. First up is authentication. View this as the bouncer at your favorite digital nightclub. It ensures only the rightful owners get past the velvet rope, using tools like usernames, passwords, and multi-factor authentication. Then there's encryption. This is the secret language of cybersecurity. It turns your sensitive information into an unreadable code, protecting it from prying eyes during transmission and storage. And finally, we have firewalls. These act as the guardians of your digital fortress, monitoring and controlling the traffic entering and leaving your network based on predefined security rules. We've taken a deep dive into the world of cybersecurity today. Remember, this is a journey that's constantly evolving. New threats emerge and our defenses must adapt. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and together, we can keep the digital world safe. Now, if this video has been helpful, show some love by hitting the like button. Subscribe to HackTheMatric for your regular dose of cybersecurity insights. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're always in the know. Got any questions or thoughts? Feel free to drop them in the comments below. Until next time, happy hacking and stay secure. Signing off from HackTheMatric. Until our next hacktastic adventure, take care and hack responsibly.